Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today I'm sharing my Christmas gifts with you all, and y'all see what all that I received for Christmas. I have a frying pan here. Y'all, this is so pretty. Let me show it to you. It has a wooden handle. Yes, it has a wooden handle. And I also have these chopping boards. Y'all may see this sometimes on my channel. And I received this blender from my son and his wife, Des and Nene. Isn't it pretty? I love that color because it matches my kitchen appliances. It is so pretty. I just love that stainless steel and black look. Thank you, Des and Nene and family. Have a large skillet with a lid, and I definitely needed that. Let me show y'all this. And I also received this beautiful spoon. It is so pretty. Isn't it, y'all? Okay, y'all, this is a gift from Miss Evelyn. She sent me a gift card for Christmas. Miss Evelyn, when you see these skillets, remember these are from you, okay? Y'all see how pretty they are? This is a two-piece set. It comes with a small cast iron skillet and the large cast iron skillet. Thank you so much, Miss Evelyn. This is a present from Amanda. This is a portable vlogging kit. She know I need it, so I was so surprised when she got it. I suppose I've been getting one myself. It just took so long, y'all. I just kept forgetting. But thank you, Amanda, for this gift. She also got me this, y'all. This is a copper set, skillet set as well. I don't want to get too close. It comes with a rack, a steam rack, and a frying basket. See there? This is a nice skillet. Okay, let me put this back. Okay, I just wanted to share these gifts with y'all that some of my family gave me for Christmas. And I want to thank everybody for whatever you got me. Some of the gifts, a couple of them I got for myself, y'all. Because some people cashed out me. So I use anything that you cash out me towards my channel. And I'm so grateful for you all. Another gift I want to share with you all is you. I want to thank each and every one of you for all you have done for supporting me, encouraging me, and just being there for me. And I'm just thankful and grateful for you. I love y'all, and God bless you. Oh yes, y'all, here's some greeting cards and a letter that I'm going to share with y'all, but I'm going to do it on our family channel. Okay, and I'm also going to share some more of my gifts. And so y'all go over there and check our channel out. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you there. As always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all.